Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced Fernando da Cruz as their new head coach. They've posted in all of their social media platforms. We are no longer guessing now. We know he's the new coach. He signed a 2-year deal with the Kaizer Chiefs, a 2-year deal with an option to extend. Ideal yakhe izoqala ngomhla 1 July. And then babhalile apha. Born in France, da Cruz comes in highly with a UEFA Pro license, the highest coaching certification in football. I'm sorry for laughing, guys. Jessica, they had to put it there, ne? Ukuthi Umjita has the pro license, the highest coaching certificate. Oh, okay, Jess. Jessica yonke le. He worked briefly with Chief preseason. We know this before Umjita ahambe usebenzile nathi. You guys know that first season where he was going to work with Unabi, but he got a better deal and then he ended up leaving us. Hopefully Umjita, if a better club than Kaizer Chiefs, if a bigger club that has more money than Kaizer Chiefs comes in, he won't leave us like he did last time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, Nation. How are you guys feeling about this? Da Cruz being our next coach. Hopefully Umjita uzowenza kahle. All I can say is that we have no choice but to support him. Let me know your thoughts in the comments though.